Hey friends, welcome back to the channel. I'm Iggy, and I've been covering topics like stocks, finance, CPF, and everything related to growing your wealth. The Investing Iguana is ranked 8th in the 2023 Influential Tigers by Tiger Brokers, with over 768,000 reads and 53,000 likes. I've produced over 650 videos with more than 300,000 watch hours as of December 2024. I also focus on regional and world economy topics. Today, we're diving into something revolutionary happening in Singapore's banking sector. OCBC has just made history by becoming the first bank in our country to sell tokenized bonds. Now, you might be wondering, Iggy, what exactly are tokenized bonds and why should I care? Well, this could be the game changer that makes bond investing more accessible to everyone. Let me break this down with a simple example. Imagine you're at a hawker center, and instead of having to buy an entire tray of chicken rice for your whole block, you can now buy just one plate for yourself. That's exactly what OCBC is doing with bonds. Traditional corporate bonds require a minimum investment of $250,000. That's like buying that whole tray of chicken rice. But with tokenized bonds, you can start with just $1,000. These aren't your regular bonds, though. They're what we call bespoke or custom-made bonds. Think of it like ordering your chicken rice exactly how you want it. Less oil, more chili, extra cucumber. In the same way, these bonds are structured based on what investors want in terms of time period, tenor, and returns, yield. Now, let's talk about how this actually works. When you buy these tokenized bonds, OCBC creates them digitally using blockchain technology, the same tech that powers cryptocurrencies. But don't worry, these are much safer because they're backed by a major bank and regulated by MS. The bonds are then transferred to your digital wallet on OCBC's asset tokenization platform. Think of it like having a digital safety deposit box, but instead of physical papers, everything is stored securely in digital form. This innovation is huge for Singapore's financial sector. We're already a major financial hub in Asia, and moves like this strengthen our position. But more importantly, it shows how our banking sector is embracing digital transformation. OCBC actually tested this system with their first customer, a mid-sized manufacturing company in Singapore, in November 2024. The success of this pilot program opens doors for more innovations in our financial markets. Here's where it gets really interesting. This isn't OCBC's first venture into blockchain technology. They've already used it with the Land Transport Authority for construction projects. This shows a pattern of Singapore moving towards more digital, efficient financial solutions. Kenneth Lai, OCBC's head of global markets, has mentioned they're planning to expand into other types of tokenized assets. What could this mean? Imagine being able to invest in different types of assets, maybe even property or art, in small, affordable chunks. Now, I know what you're thinking. But Iggy, right now these bonds are only for corporate accredited investors with more than $10 million in net assets. You're right, but here's why you should still care. This is just the beginning, and as the technology proves itself, we might see similar products for retail investors. It's changing how we think about minimum investment amounts. The $1,000 denomination shows banks are thinking about making investments more accessible. When fully developed, this could help you build a more diversified investment portfolio without needing huge amounts of capital. The market has responded positively to this news. OCBC's stock price jumped 1.09% to $16.75 after the announcement. This suggests investors see potential in this new direction. Looking ahead to 2025 and beyond, this could revolutionize how we invest in Singapore. We might see more banks follow OCBC's lead, creating competition and innovation. The tokenization could expand to other asset classes, while minimum investment amounts might decrease further. Trading these tokens might become as easy as buying stocks on your phone. Even if you're not ready to invest in bonds right now, understanding these developments is crucial. The financial world is changing rapidly, and staying informed helps you make better decisions when opportunities arise. There are several practical steps you can take right now. Start learning about digital assets and blockchain technology. Keep an eye on mass announcements about digital asset regulations. Follow updates from local banks about similar initiatives. Consider how tokenized assets might fit into your future investment strategy. Singapore is positioning itself as a leader in digital asset innovation. This move by OCBC is just one piece of a larger puzzle. As we move further into 2025, we might see more traditional financial products getting a digital makeover. Remember, while technology changes quickly, good investment principles stay the same. Whether you're buying traditional or tokenized bonds, always consider your investment goals, risk tolerance, and overall portfolio strategy. If you want to learn more about how blockchain is changing Singapore's financial landscape, check out my previous video on how blockchain is revolutionizing Singapore's banking sector. Hit that like button if you found this information helpful, and don't forget to subscribe for more updates on Singapore's evolving financial scene. Drop your questions in the comments below. I'd love to hear your thoughts on tokenized bonds and what other financial topics you'd like me to cover.